but it's cold. A little bit. Just trying to warm it up, but got a treat for you today. Look what came in. Our shocks. Yay. Now we can actually replace the shocks on the suspension on this thing on the GT6. So, well, remember, right? We took the back ones off. So, the back ones are not in there, so those would be really easy to do. There's just 2 bolts, tighten them up, and it's done. The front ones, we had to move it around a little bit. We still got to take off the whole spring and everything. And the other side. Yeah, it'll be fun. Not really, but it'll be cool. And we got possibly a helper there, possibly another helper there. It's called, but we'll see. We only got a little bit to work on right now. So, guys, you guys to go on the top and the bottom. You can get in the hole. Shocks are on both sides. That's fun. A little tight because of new bushings. But they're in. Now we gotta freaking deal with this mess. Try to get these out. Okay, well, here's shock number 1. That was the old one. and shaft number 2 over there. And we got a new one sitting there. So now what we gotta do is we can get the spring compressors out, compress this spring, remove these 2 bolts hopefully, and this whole thing will come apart. But if they don't want to remove, well, we're just gonna cut the damn things off because I don't think we're using that anyway. The only thing that we have to reuse off this anyway is this plate here with the bolts that actually go onto the car itself. Shocks are out. There's the old one. We did the other one earlier a few minutes ago. I don't know where it went to. But there's the other one with the new shock in it. We're just trying to see how we took it apart because it's a little different. But we gotta compress the spring with some older sketchy compressors and then remove 1 bolt, 2 bolt, and then take it apart. Well, as you just saw, we got the spring off. It's sitting over here. This is
the inner
part of the spring, the shock. And we got all the rubber boots. They're like toast. So good thing we're replacing all these things. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking when I said we're gonna clean up the old one. We're putting a new one on. Duh. So we gotta take these off. Take spacers off. That's the fun one. But get that going, put the spring back on, and we put the cap back on, and nuts and bolts back down, tighten it up, and release the spring slowly. Shock's done. Now we gotta put it back in, which will be interesting because new rubbers on the old thing. We'll have to lube it up a little bit. Stick it back in there. Hold down there. Well, shocks are back on the front. That was fun, interesting. Took both of us to even get them under there. The other one's over there. Well, now we can put tires back on it. I should put her back on the ground, but we can't drive it because no radiator. Yeah, we know. That's a different video. Anyway, let's get these tires back on and see how good it looks. Alright guys, well that sums up that. She's back on the ground with the wheels. Everything looks good on the suspension. So, but comment, share, like it, all that fun stuff. But we'll see you guys in the next one.